Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey. We are doing well. This is a little bit more of a faff in some ways than downstairs because you see they've used a lot of spray foam. This is all spray foamed up here, so it might be a bit of a faff to get all this insulation out. It's looking much barer. We've done a good job, and it's definitely time for a cup of tea. Coffee time for the workers. Mariah's doing a Disney puzzle. I have to say, word of warning for anyone planning on doing a boat build like this is it takes its toll on your hands and arms.
And your legs.
And your legs, your extremities. My arms are absolutely wrecked.
I mean, also just the cleanliness of your fingernails.
Yeah.
Honestly.
I've had quite a lot of little.
Got builder's hands now.
Yeah, quite a lot of little cuts, injuries, tendon stuff in my hands, tendon stuff in my feet. You've got to really protect your extremities. But we're nearly done with the strip out. We have a month in England coming up, so my body can recover. It's a bit brutal. Pretty knackered, but end of phase 2.
End of phase 2.
Doing great. Coffee time. Right, day is done. I just show you inside a little bit. We have a cleared out bridge. Very nice. We've got a big pile of junk that needs to go to the tip, and that is basically, save like the odd bolt and bit of wood, that's basically the end of phase 2.
And the ceiling.
So, and the ceiling, but we'll just ignore that now. So tomorrow we've got to waterproof the ship, ready for our month away, and that's basically it. Anything I'm forgetting?
No.
Oh, we've got to do a tip run. We've got to do this,
Well,
this
yeah,
to the tip.
This, I mean, compared to the amount we've already done, this is nothing, right?
Yeah, this shouldn't take long to take to the tip. We've got to waterproof the ship because I've pumped the water out of the bottom. Actually, it would be good to try and find another pump that takes more water out of the bottom, but that's a work in progress. We'll waterproof the ship, maybe get on to taking out one of the windows so that we can have a go at
assess it
double glazing, DIY double glazing the window to start with.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're in great shape. High five. Kissy. All right. Good day, end of phase 2. Yeah! If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.